Encore, s'il te plaît, encore. Ah, c'est magnifique.
Check. Hold up. Pose, yeah. Pose. Pose, yeah. Pose. I am. Photo shoot. Pose. I am. Pose, yeah. Pose. Pose, yeah. Pose. Pose, yeah. Pose. Pose, yeah. Pose. I am. Photo shoot. Pose. I am.
Boys with the booming system, top down AC with the cooling system. When he come up in the club, he be blazing up. Got stacks on deck like he's saving up. And he ill, he real, he might got a deal. He pop bottles and he got the right kind of bill. He cold, he dope, he might sell.
I just saved Africa.
Tree, plus I got this brand in me. Really yellow dancing on me. So she smelled the green on me. She straight from Cali.
So a lot of people have asked me how I did this. So I went ahead and I went on the post I'm trying to use. And then I, say post on story. And I went ahead and just got a little circle from the text. And then took two eyes to make the little play button in the center. Make sure that's the color of your background. Then search up play but apparently on the sticker section, and you're gonna get these cool little triangles. And then flip one of them and then keep the other one at the actual size. Get another eye and put them on either sides so they look like the actual play button. I'm like basing this off of Spotify. Get a long line like this and then make a little portion of it like gray, like this, so it looks like it's plain. Over here, get a little circle, pop that pussy to the ground. She a freak. Go on modern and then get the time, just like that, and then put like some random times. I did 09 on that one, and 340. Then like latest pose.
Hey, I put the new 4Gs on. I trap into the bloody bottoms is under. Why? Cause all my niggas. Hey, I keep 100. Yeah, I remember hitting them all with the whole team. Now a nigga can't answer calls cause I was waking up getting rags in them. Yeah, I was broke, now I'm rich, these niggas. All this designer on my body got me drip. Yeah, straight up by the IJs, I'm a big crip. Yeah. If I got a pint of lean, I'ma sip. I run the racks up with my queen like London and New. But I got rich on all these niggas, I didn't forget that. I had to go through the struggle, I didn't forget that. I had
when it rains, it pours. She like the way I.
He need the old, biggie.
Listen.
New Gucci flip-flops, make your bitch just give me the top. While you OT, just know your bitch is here, she fuck me non-stop. If you get snapped, I guarantee it.
Is that? So I'm gonna try that on and. No. No.
I'm with the gang, and we bout to go up. Switching lanes, it's a thing every time we show up. You a lame, and you so below us. Bet your hoe she know us, cause you know we glowed up. We stay down.
whoa, mama, whoa, whoa. Whoa, 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 my head hit the umbilical cord, mama, stop it. Whoa, 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 whoa. So, mama, I got a question. Why am I built like this?
Best friends, Jack.
Et papa, je te donne deux options. A, tu restes confiné avec maman toute la journée à la maison. Ou B, tu...
B. Okay, I'm recording. Yeah! Yes! No, Dylan, come back. I'm recording, okay? Oh my God. This is so beautiful. Oh, this boy! Jesus! Your mother should have swallowed you. This is so beautiful.
If it hadn't been for Cotton Eye Joe, I'd been married a long time ago. Where did you come from? Where did you go? Where did you come from, Cotton Eye Joe?
Hold up.
It's been 10 years. You start to forget the things you should remember. And you can't stop remembering the things you should forget. We've always had the power.
Wrist on glitter, waist on thinner. I'ma show you how to bag an 8-figure nigga. Face on zaddy, pockets on jigger. You better get the card and make it swipe like Tinder.
Oh.
Spencer, why did you do that?
Oh my God! Jonathan, are you okay? Oh my God!
Ah, la Air Dior, c'est quelque chose cette paire quand même. Par contre, va falloir faire un choix. Soit t'achètes cette paire, soit t'achètes une BMW i8 full option, parce qu'elle coûte plus de 80 000 €.
Moi, je pense que la question, elle est vite répondue.
Du coup, forcément, les usines en Chine ont voulu en faire des contrefaçons, mais ça s'est pas passé comme prévu. Comme la paire est impossible à choper en vrai, ils se sont basés sur plusieurs photos sur Insta pour la reproduire, dont celle-ci où l'Instagrammeur a inséré son nom sur l'image. Et ces schlags ont réellement imprimé et cousu le blaze de l'Instagrammeur sur leur paire.
Le savais-tu ? Un enfant de 4 ans aurait pu éviter l'un des massacres les plus effroyables de l'humanité. Ouais, c'est la merde. Là, je pense qu'on peut parler de l'acte de bravoure le plus regrettable de l'histoire et vous allez comprendre pourquoi. Je vous donnerai le nom du lieu à la fin, mais je peux vous dire que cette histoire se passe sur les rives de la Inn. C'est donc à côté de cette rivière en 1894 qu'un groupe d'enfants jouait. Tout se passait bien lorsque l'un d'eux est tombé accidentellement dans la rivière. Le courant étant fort avec une eau gelée et sachant que le petit garçon ne savait pas nager, il était destiné à une mort certaine. C'était sans compter sur la bravoure d'un enfant présent aussi ce jour-là, Mr. Johan Kuberger. French Touch. Ce jeune garçon âgé de 4 ans et qui deviendra prêtre par la suite s'est donc jeté à l'eau et a sauvé l'enfant de la noyade. Ça aurait pu être une belle histoire, hein. Sauf que cet acte de bravoure fera par la suite 60 millions de morts. Car le petit garçon qui a été sauvé de la noyade ce jour-là et qui vivait à Passau en Allemagne n'était autre que Adolf Hitler.
But the good will do it sometimes.